So the hairstyle I'm wearing today is actually the same hairstyle I had last week. Basically, I did a protective style, and I told you all actually what I did to my hair last week. And I want to see how long this lasts before I actually take it down. So I'm probably going to stretch it out as long as possible. This is actually week 2. It got a teeny bit frizzy, not too bad. I actually took some scissors and cut out the frizz that was there. And basically, this is what I'm left with. You can see it still looks pretty good. For the most part, it still looks good. So I know I'm going to keep it in for 3 weeks for sure. So next week will be the 3rd week. And if it still looks okay, then I'm just going to stretch it out. And I'll let you know how long it lasts actually. Because I don't really, honestly, I'm so busy. I don't have time to do my hair or nails anymore. Basically, all I do is paint my toes, paint my nails, and basically wear a protective style. So that's basically all I actually have time for. So when I actually do my hair, I actually do styles that'll last at least 2 to 3 weeks. That's basically all I've been doing. The outfit I have on today, I just have on this leopard wide tail dress, and I paired it with green accessories today. So everything else is actually green: the shoes, the handbag, and the jewelry that I have on is green. The earrings, I can't remember where I purchased these from, but I like them because they have 3 shades of green in them. And I actually added the little studs around each circle myself. So when I got them, they were just plain. Basically plain green earrings. And I think I got these in my local beauty supply store. The necklace, I think I got it, I want to say, it wasn't Walmart. It was a Fashion USA, it's Fashion Metro. That's the name of the place. I got it, it's Fashion Metro, and I've had it for a very long time. You all have seen it in some of my older videos. And it's just like a flower necklace, somewhat. So I decided to put it on today. For the rings, on this hand I just have just a regular ring because I told y'all my wedding ring got too little. I gained weight and it's finally too little. So yeah, I can't even get it on my finger. If I do, I'm about to call 911 to get it off. So I'm not going to even try to put it on. And on this hand I just have a green ring that I purchased at my local beauty supply store. I've had it for a while as well. This bracelet I've had for a very long time. It's kind of like a bronzy brownish bracelet. And I purchased the bracelet at Burlington Coat Factory a long time ago. The shoes that I'm wearing today are these. And you've seen these shoes once before. You haven't seen them with the ribbon in them. I don't think I've showed them since I added a ribbon. But these are some green apple bottom shoes that I've had. I've had these shoes so long. And you can tell by looking at them that I've hardly even wore these shoes. I probably have worn these shoes probably twice since I've had them. And I've had them probably, I know for probably 9, 10 years, maybe even longer. I don't know, but it was back when I was in my apple bottom phase. Everything was apple bottom. So these are the shoes. I think this is the last pair of apple bottom shoes that I have. I think I've gotten rid of all of the handbags and all of the other shoes that I have that had apple bottom on them. I think I've gotten rid of all of those. I've given them away pretty much. So these, I kept these mainly because of the color, and they was a sandal, and I like them. And I actually added the ribbon into it myself, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end of this video in a picture when I tie it. These were actually just like some slide-ins, but I wanted them to have like a ribbon and tied in a bow on the side, so I added this really, really wide ribbon to the shoe. And like I said, I'll show you that at the end of this video. The handbags I'm taking today is this one. This is a green MK bag that I purchased a while ago. I can't even remember where I purchased it from. Online somewhere, but I don't know. But this is the handbag that I'm taking today. And that is pretty much it, I think. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm going to post pictures of the shoes at the end of this video. My hair, I keep you updated on it next week. I know I'm going to let it stay in for next week. But after that, I may end up changing it. I'm not sure. So I forgot to mention my nails. Actually, I didn't do a nail tutorial this week. But I just didn't have the time. So basically, all I did was I painted my nails green on the tip. So this is what I did to them. And I cut my nails down because I had some nails were breaking and they had cracks in them. And I didn't want to just constantly keep repairing my nails. Plus, I want them to grow back out for my birthday in November. So I decided to just cut them short and cut off all the damage And I thought I was going to have to cut my nails actually shorter than this, but I didn't. I just cut basically where the shortest crack was of my nail. And I think I still have damage on one finger, and that's this one, my thumb. As soon as it grow out a little bit more, I'm going to cut it off as well. But this is the length of my nails now. I just painted them green on the tip. My toes, I just painted the same color, but I painted them all over. That's basically all I did. So yeah, so that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.